Congratulations on making a great decision to add Tubebuddy to your marketing stack. It's very important to be growing your YouTube channel. And today I want to show you how to use the health report. So if you just go ahead and go to your Tubebuddy account and find the channel you want to monitor, click on the little heart and you're going to be able to monitor the health report. The traffic sources might take a little bit to populate, just heads up on that. So what I'm able to track here is growth of views, growth of subscribers, engagement. I'm able to see communication, how many people are typing in and communicating with the video, how many are liking and disliking. Do keep in mind that a lot of people that are disliking your videos are just trolls or competitors, and pay attention to strategic comments and ignore the ones that are just, you know, being negative just to be negative. That's just part of the whole thing, isn't it? What I focus the most on is making sure that I'm getting likes and comments and engagement. If you're interested in finding out how people are sharing your videos, if that's a goal, you have a tab here. And then retention, you're able to monitor how many minutes they're watching your videos, so you can monitor retention. Up here we have traffic sources, so you're able to determine how many people found you through which YouTube searches, and if those are going up or down, how many people found you through related videos, and how many found you through websites such as Google and Bing. You can click through to those tabs and monitor what's important to you about the growth of your channel. I also love the fact that I'm able to monitor who it is that's my primary audience. Right now, my strongest group, more than half, is the 25 to 45-year-old male. And so if I want to go out and promote these videos and I want to target a specific audience, it might be of benefit to me to select that age group and select males, because that seems to be my primary audience. That doesn't mean I'm going to exclude females, but strategically, cost per click, if it's not against any terms of service, that might be a strategy to use. This is just kind of an example. Also, if I know that my primary audience is males, there's ways to cater to that audience with everything from graphics to colors to images. And on the flip side of that, if that's a problem and I want to pick up a stronger female audience, I might target other things a little bit more specifically. So for example, I believe one of the reasons why my audience is more male than it is female is because of the niches that I'm teaching. A lot of like web development and analytics and real estate. And if I wanted to target a more a female audience, then I might do a lot more with my Pinterest account and things that I think are going to be more of a female demographic based on pulling up reports and learning that, which we know Pinterest is. So that's just an example. I might focus more on design elements and Canva and social media. But if this is working for me, there's no reason to change that up. But if I didn't have this information, then I might be guessing. Now, YouTube does have analytics as well. Tubebuddy I use for many of the optimization strategies, but this health report just happens to be something also that's in there. And it's very convenient to look at on a regular basis just to spot how my YouTube channel is doing at a quick glance. I'm Lori Ballen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you on the next lesson.